In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the line spacing in Microsoft Word. But before I do, make sure to subscribe. By default, the line spacing will either be 1.08 or 1.15. That's dependent on the Word version you're using. So in order to change this, I'm going to first select all my text, click and drag or press Ctrl A, then click on the Home tab, and then I'm going to look for the two blue arrows above the paragraphs. Click this once, and this drop-down menu will appear. It will have 6 default options. One line of spacing, 1.15, 1.5 or 1.5, 2, which is double line spacing, 2.5 and 3. For most people, they look for the double line spacing. Click it once. If you're like me and like to know the shortcuts and how to do that even faster, then I'll show you. Press Ctrl A to select all your text. Then Ctrl 1 is one line of spacing. Ctrl 2 is double line spacing, and Ctrl 5 is 1.5 lines of spacing. In some cases, you may need to change your line spacing to a certain amount, such as 2.6, which isn't a default option. So I'm going to press Ctrl A to select all, then go back up to the line and paragraph spacing, select it once, and then we're going to click on line spacing options. We're now going to move down to line spacing at the bottom. We're going to click on the downward arrow and we're going to go down to multiple. Select that once, and then instead of at 3, we're going to type in that 2.6 that we spoke about earlier. Then click OK. It will now change this all to 2.6. If you are changing out of heading, maybe for an academic piece of writing and normal paragraph writing, you may lose that option. So to make sure, I always do this. Right-click normal, click modify, then go to format and then paragraph. And I just make sure that this is the amount that you want, which is 2.6. That means whenever you click on normal to start writing your main bit of text, it will always be 2.6. And click OK and then OK again. If this video has helped you understand line spacing more, then click like, subscribe and hit that notification bell. And if you learn more about line spacing and paragraph spacing, then visit my website at www.wordmadeeasy.org. The link is in the description below.